So we're going to talk about finding potential vertical asymptotes. And again, just like our zeros, these are potential. The big idea is we're not allowed to divide by zero. We're not sure what happens. And what we're going to find out is that two different things happen. But first, we're just going to talk about potentials. So we don't want to divide by zero. So really, when we're trying to find vertical asymptotes, what matters is, does the denominator equal zero? And so we should solve this. Always a bunch of ways to solve a quadratic, but I noticed that x squared minus 25 is, well, we care about where does it equal 0, but I know that it's a difference of two squares, so I'm going to have x plus 25, no, x plus 5, and x minus 5. Remember, a difference of two squares, if these two things are squares, you can take the square root of one plus the square root of the other one, and then the square root of the first one minus the square root of the second one. It's just a shortcut. But really, two numbers that multiply to negative 25 and add to 0, right? Because there's a plus 0x that we don't write in the middle there. So it's just factoring. Anyway, we see that, and so then we go, oh, our two zeros are x equals negative 5 based off of this one, and x equals positive 5 based off of this one. So negative 5 and 5 are two values of this function that we cannot plug into our equation, because if we do, we will get vertical asymptotes. So yeah, that's that.